In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized active lists of customers in HubSpot. This process is essential for organizing your contacts and targeting them based on specific criteria, helping you streamline communication and improve engagement. So, let's dive into the steps and make this task a breeze. Firstly, make sure you're properly logged into your HubSpot account. This might sound like a basic step, but ensuring you're logged in will save you from any unexpected hurdles down the line. Once you're logged in, you'll want to take a moment to navigate to the trial guide. This section offers a myriad of resources that are valuable when you're starting with form building, and it serves as a solid foundation for becoming more familiar with HubSpot's capabilities. After you've familiarized yourself with the trial guide, head back to your homepage. From here, the next thing you need to do is click on the CRM option. This menu option is your gateway to the customer relationship management tools that HubSpot offers and will be integral as you work on customizing your lists. After you've accessed CRM, go ahead and click on Segment Lists. This feature allows you to view existing lists and manage them, but what we're aiming to do is create a new one. So, click on Create a List. This step marks the beginning of defining and organizing your contacts based on specific criteria that are most relevant to your business needs. At this stage, you'll be preparing to set the criteria that will determine how your list is structured. Click on Next, and you'll find yourself at a page where you can really dig into the customization. This is a key part of the process, as it's where you decide what filters to apply. Click on Add Filter, and you'll have the chance to explore all the features available. These filters allow you to define the conditions that each contact must meet in order to be included in this particular list. Consider aspects such as demographics, purchase history, or any engagement metrics that are significant to your strategy. Remember, your goal here is to create lists that are active and meaningful to your business objectives. The more precise your criteria, the more effective your segmentation will be, ultimately empowering you to tailor your marketing efforts and communications. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you. By following these steps, you'll create valuable and customized active lists that will enhance how you manage customer relationships and drive business success. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Keep exploring and refining your process to maximize HubSpot's capabilities.